It's time for another adventure. I'm about to fly the farthest from home that I've ever been. Where I'm going, the most exposure I've had to its culture is a high school buddy's mother's cooking. We're flying to India. Alright guys, we're about to go completely out of my comfort zone. We are going to India tonight, but at least we get a treat on the way. We're going to fly United's premium economy class. Okay, rushing to the gate because they're calling for mandatory passport and visa check. So get there as early as you can. Woohoo! Here we go. So welcome to United's new Premium Plus Economy class. These seats are very similar to the old international business class seats before they had the lie-flat seats. It even comes with a more enhanced menu for dining.
If you are seated in his exit row, you may be asked to assist the crew during an evacuation.
The food here is definitely better than what you get in normal economy class and very similar to what you get in business class. You also have an enhanced entertainment system to keep you occupied. And the other neat thing is you get a really great pre-arrival meal as well. Since I had an 8-hour overnight layover in Mumbai, I chose to get a sleeping pod at the Avaserve Lounge. Just be aware that the charging ports are very loose and some of them do not work. I chose a 6-hour package that also included a meal and a shower. I also paid for a secure storage of my luggage, but I kind of questioned their definition of secure. Well, it's 2 in the morning, and so I paid not only for my sleeping pod, but also a meal and showers. So, about ready to take the first risk of eating the food here, so we'll see. Alright, here we go. Good as always, but like I said, it's a bit of a risk, which, well, it is India. Okay, so we're upstairs. I just checked in for my flight. It is humid, to say the least, inside this building, but luckily we have a lounge on the other side to visit, so hopefully it's got some AC. Luckily, United has contract with other lounges, like the GVK Lounge here in Mumbai Airport. And I was a little hesitant on the food because, again, this is India, but I had to try a little. Business class on Air India. This was an unexpected surprise. What I did not realize when I booked my United Premier Plus economy seat, that I would also get business class while I was here in India. So not only did I get to enjoy something different. So this is a little different twist. Coconut water for takeoff. But I also had another breakfast, but of course I went vegetarian just to keep it safe. So we're in Bangalore, which I found out is actually Bengaluru. That's because Bangalore was the British name, so that's now the Indian name, just like Mumbai is now the Indian name, and it used to be called Bombay. But anyhow, outside the airport they have traditional Indian foods like Kentucky Fried Chicken, Subway, and Krispy Kreme. So I'm going to find an Uber and get over to the hotel. It's still really early in the morning, so I'm really hoping that they've got a room I can check into. But the weather right now, it's cloudy and very cool out. It's beautiful here right now. Yes, I said it's beautiful here. Let's see how long that lasts. Okay, it's a little confusing trying to find where to pick up my Uber. So I'm leaving the airport here and there's this little covered walkway heading out. And finally, got some signage.
So the drive out of the airport was the usual reckless driving that I experience in foreign countries. That was immediately followed by the slums. Now I knew I'd have to bear witness to a significant degree of poverty, but this was pretty overwhelming. And then there was the traffic.
Okay, let's have a chat. Wow. I mean, wow. Wow. Ooh. How would I describe my trip from the airport here in Bangalore, Bangalore, whatever we're going to call it? How would I describe it? I would say chaos. That was absolutely, insane. I am motion sick from that drive. Wow. I honestly don't have to say. I really don't. I knew it would be an adventure, so to speak, but I never thought anything would top my first summer on a bus going through Naples, Italy. The sheer chaos. And wow. So, I was hoping to go out later today, but you know what? I am just so exhausted. Not just from the flight, but that Uber ride here. It was just constant stop, go, stop, go, stop, go. I am exhausted. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take some downtime and try to relax. So I have 2 days. 2 days until I actually have to be at work. And I like to have those 2 down days so I can kind of recover, because this is a 13-hour time zone shift I just went through. And yeah, this is something interesting. It may take me a day or two to get used to the sheer chaos that is outside. You know, I'm beginning to like this hotel. They just brought 2 of these for free. Not a bad room. Not a bad room at all. Hang on. Yeah, nice bed. All right, guys. Hey, thanks for joining me. Thanks for joining me on day 1 of the. I guess it was day 1 and 2 of the India adventure. I'm going to get some sleep, and remember, never stop exploring. Catch y'all later.